Today we talk about how can you add or change your photo profile on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on this sign down here, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile, it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on account settings here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to update picture, just click on it. So then here can you pick a picture here, and here when you just click on it, it's going to take you to your device and you select photos you want to add on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.